paragraph 16.8 of the final document of the ministerial meeting of the Coordination Bureau reaffirms this movement's long-standing dedication to achieve full respect of international law, and in this regard commends the role of the International Court of Justice in promoting the peaceful settlement of international disputes in accordance with the relevant provisions of the UN Charter and the Statute of the ICJ. This is very much in line with Serbia's decision to respond in a peaceful and diplomatic way to last year's unilateral declaration of independence by the ethnic Albanian secessionist authorities of our southern province of Kosovo. Serbia ruled out the use of force or other unilateral measures, such as the imposition of economic sanctions. Instead, Serbia reacted to the illegitimate attempt to forcefully partition our country by turning to the International Court of Justice.